Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to transfer Google Authenticator app data to another phone. Here I'm upgrading my iPhone, and as you can see that when we do iTunes backup transfer or migration assistant transfer wirelessly from one iPhone to another iPhone or from Android to iPhone or through any other way, the important thing is Google Authentication transfer details will not be transferred. Similar to the bank details, we need to set it up once again. In your new iPhone, if the Google Authenticator app is transferred, or you can fresh install it and tap on import existing data at the bottom left corner and then follow the instructions. Don't reset your iPhone once the backup transfer is completed. That is very important. And here you have to open the Google Authenticator app and tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on export accounts, and you will be given with two different QR codes in order to perform the handshake, the sync operation, and then it'll initiate the transfer of all your Google Authenticator data to your new iPhone. You have to authenticate with your phone passcode and then select which accounts you want to transfer. Here I have selected all the accounts. I have clicked on next and I have got a QR code generated, and from the new iPhone tap on next and it will open camera application to scan the QR code. So I have scanned the first QR code and click on continue to see the second QR code. Once the scanning is done, with both QR code in your new iPhone, all your transfer of data will be done. Here you can see 18 accounts imported from old iPhone to new iPhone wirelessly, and then you can delete any other application, or you can proceed formatting your old iPhone and prepare to sell it or to set it up as a fresh iPhone or Android device. It is also very important to remove all the existing accounts just as a basic security measure. Once it's done, you will be able to access all your accounts in your new iPhone. You don't have to go through any step-by-step process by visiting all the websites that you were using the Google Authenticator app sign-in feature with, the two-factor authentication with. I hope this video helped you to complete the transfer of Google Authenticator app data accounts from one phone to another phone. And if you find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe, and you can search our channel to find the videos faster. Thank you and have a wonderful day.